Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the shape is a rectangle, then measure length and width using a ruler or tape. Make sure both measurements use the same unit, otherwise convert first. Once done, write down L and W and the formula area equals L times W. You do this now so calculations are simple and consistent. If one side is given as 2 segments, add them to get total length. Keep measurements clear, because small errors will change the area. Now multiply the length by the width. Enter L then times then W on your calculator, or do the multiplication by hand. You do this to get the area in the chosen unit squared, for example 3. 5m times 2m gives 7, 0m2. Make sure to track decimal places and round only at the end, because premature rounding alters accuracy. If you converted units earlier, confirm both were in the same unit before multiplying. Otherwise, redo. Finish by writing the area with its unit squared and check your arithmetic once more. You should remeasure at least one side, then recompute to verify the number. Small measurement slips are common. If results differ, compare units and decimal placement first, because inconsistent units or a mistyped decimal explain most mistakes. When stuck, draw the rectangle, mark L and W, and do the multiplication slowly. That method reveals where a slip occurred and gets you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.